This is SoundSheet, the all-in-one app for production sound, your schedule, your gear, and your billing in one place. Welcome to the walkthrough series. Today, finances. What you'll learn. Reading your earnings forecast and timesheet overview. Building an invoice from booked days, labor and gear automatically. Adding gear and kits a la carte and manual line items. Saving and reusing clients with full contact details. Editing your own issuer details and refreshing them from settings. Line item categories: labor, rentals, reimbursements, tax, currency, statuses, and exporting to PDF and CSV. This is the episode that gets you paid. Finance is where your shooting days, your hours, and your kits turn into a professional invoice you can send a client today. It's the biggest feature in SoundSheet, so we'll take it step by step. And by the end, you'll be able to go from booked days to a finished PDF in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The overview. The Finance tab has three parts. At the top, your earnings forecast, your booked day rates rolled into monthly totals, then your list of invoices, and your timesheet overview, pulling together every hour you've logged across your days. One thing to notice immediately: every total is currency aware. If you bill in euros, pounds, and dollars, SoundSheet keeps them separate and totals each on its own. It never mashes three currencies into one meaningless number. Same goes for your invoice and timesheet totals. Starting an invoice from days. Let's build one. Tap New Invoice. The fastest route is to pull from your days. Tap Select Days and choose the ones you're billing for this job. Watch what happens. SoundSheet fills in your labor lines from each day's rate, and if you used detailed billing, it brings in each of those line items too. Then, automatically, it adds the priced gear from those days as rentals lines, using the rental rates from your inventory. In one tap, you've got labor and equipment itemized. The client. For the client, tap Select Saved Client. If you've billed them before, their name, address, contact person, phone, and email all drop in instantly. New client? Type their company name and address. Add an attention contact, like Attention Sue Smith, plus a phone and email. Then tap Save as Client, and next time they're one tap away. You build your client book as you work. Adding gear and kits a la carte. Need to add equipment that isn't tied to a day? Tap Add from Inventory or Kit. Pick individual items or a whole kit. Set quantities, and they come in priced from their stored rates, as rentals automatically, line items and categories. Adding something by hand? Tap Add Line Item. Your own details, the issuer. Here's the one people get caught by. Your own business details, name, address, tax ID, bank, are captured onto each invoice when you make it. If you update them in settings later, old invoices keep the originals. So when you need them current, open Edit Invoice Details, go to Your Details, and either edit them right there, or tap Refresh from Settings to pull your latest info straight onto this invoice. Now, your new address actually shows up. Tax, currency, dates, status. Set your tax rate and its label, VAT, GST, whatever you use. Pick the currency and set the issue and due dates. The due date drives overdue tracking. Track the invoice through its life with status. It starts as draft. Mark it sent when it goes out, paid when the money lands, and SoundSheet automatically flags it overdue in red the moment it passes its due date while still unpaid. Exporting. When it's ready, export. The PDF is a clean, branded invoice with your details up top, the clients beside them, line items grouped by category with subtotals, your totals and tax, and your payment details at the bottom. Send it straight to the client. Or export a CSV with a column for everything, including the category, for your accountant or your bookkeeping software. Recap. So that's finance. You can read your earnings per currency, build an invoice from days with labor and gear filled in automatically, add kits and items a la carte, save and reuse clients with full contacts, organize lines into labor, rentals, and reimbursements, keep your own details current, track status through to paid, and export a polished PDF or a clean CSV. That's a full billing system in your pocket. In our final episode, we set up the engine room, settings, your identity, defaults, saved clients, workspace sharing with your crew, your public gear website, and iCloud sync. Subscribe, comment, and find SoundSheet at soundsheet.app. See you there.